Hello everyone, we are going to make 4 types of trees, starting by making the pink one, which is of a cherry blossom. Then we are using green color sketch pen for making this tree, and third one we are using dark green pen for making the block tree, and at the last we are using yellow color sketch pen for making the last one. And then you can see they all look so good and beautiful. Next we are going to make a simple pumpkin, starting by making its body and then the stem of it, and after that we're gonna make a leaf as well, and it is completed. Next we are going to make a dog. First we are using a hand for the structure of the face, and then we're going to draw the eyes, nose and the teeth as well. After it is ready, we are going to make a tongue as well. After that we're going to make a belt in his neck also, and then you can color it with variety of colors you want. Here we have used brown and peach color. Next, we are going to make a simple hat. First, we're going to make the structure including a bow on it. Then we are going to complete this hat. After that, we are using pink color for coloring the bow and yellow color for coloring this hat. And then at last, we are going to detail it from middle as well by making some spots.